My name's Mike Pitigliano, and I was the farm manager at the Kern Delta operation. And we went from basically non-farm ground to develop it into pistachios. We had the game plan of putting the AQUA4D system in and running a large-scale trial. The control versus the treated areas, I mean, it was night and day. Visibly driving down the row, you would see it made a significant difference in the vigorousness of the plants, the bud take during the budding process. We could definitely see movement of some of the adverse minerals, the sodium, chlorides into the lower level, and that was allowing the rootstock to grow. My personal interpretation is that AQUA4D made those tougher areas of that ranch economically viable versus maybe in a different farming system, you would leave those blocks out. You may not even try to farm those blocks.